you all. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how I created this look. I love this look. I created this for Diwali, so please keep on watching. I'm gonna start by prepping my skin first, and for that I'm going to use this I'm red wine sheet mask from Tony Moly. ये मैं पहली बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ तो मुझे पता नहीं इसको कैसे खोलते हैं, बट या फिगर आउट कर रही हूँ। और मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता है शीट मास्क लगाने में क्योंकि मुझे कभी मिलता ही नहीं कि कैसे खोलना है। बट आई लव टू अप्लाई शीट मास्क बिफोर डूइंग माई मेकअप। रोज़ नहीं करती बट ओकेशन या फेस्टिवल्स में करती हूँ, और जो वो ग्लो आता है अंदर से मज़ा ही आ जाता है। I'm just gonna keep it for a good 10 minutes. Can you guys see the glow? I'm living for this glow. मैं मुँह नहीं धोने वाली, कभी कभी मैं मुँह धो देती हूँ चिपचिप होता है तो, but today I'm going to keep it. I'm going to massage the serum into my skin so that मेरी skin अच्छे से moisturized रहे और अंदर से glow करे. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Believe the True Cream Aqua Bomb, and this stuff is so good. I think बहुत underrated है, but this moisturizer is so lightweight and keeps your skin so moisturized and so healthy looking. I love this. नेक्स्ट फॉर प्राइमर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द Maybelline Fit Me प्राइमर, और इसको इस तरीके से बिल्कुल नहीं लगाना चाहिए बट मुझे मज़ा आता है इसलिए मैं ऐसे लगा रही हूँ। एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ ए न्यू लॉन्च, और मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि ये मेरा पहला फेवरेट ड्रग स्टोर प्राइमर है। इट्स सुपर हाइड्रेटिंग एंड क्वालिटी वाइज इट फील्स रियली नाइस. For foundation, I'm really confused between these two. One is the Flower Beauty and one is Calabash. So I decided to mix them up, and they both are like semi-matte, gives that luminous finish. तो मेरे को तो वो लगाना ही है, luminous is my thing. So I mixed it up. और flower वाला मुझे थोड़ा सा light है, but mix करके दोनों shade अच्छा लग रहा है. I always like to apply the foundation first with my fingers, and then I move on to brushes. Using the Rufa Beauty RB23 foundation brush, I am going to blend it out. Blend, 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 blend. Now here is the trick which I swear by. I like to spray some setting spray, and then I use a clean beauty blender and I start dabbing it all over my face. This helps to avoid any kind of cakiness or any kind of textures. I'm gonna use my regular concealer, the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. Just gonna blend it out, and also I'm going to take some product of the concealer over my eyelids too. Again going in with the beauty blender to blend my concealer. And next, I'm going to use the K Beauty HD setting powder to set my concealer. I'm just gonna skip this part, I swear. मैं यही use करती हूँ, but आदत से मजबूर. And I'm just going to apply it wherever I have applied the concealer. Moving on to the eye makeup, first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. I don't apply anything else on my eyebrows. I just like to brush it out. I'm going to use this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette, and first I'm going to apply this compact powder all over my eyelids to avoid any kind of concealer crease. You can go for any translucent powder or setting powder or even white eyeshadow. And now picking the dark brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply a small wing like this. And now I'm going to repeat the same step but with the black eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking this pink color and I'm just going to apply it to my inner eye. And just watch me, I can't actually explain this, but I'm just applying it from my inner corner. And then with the help of a small blending brush, I'm just going to blend it out. I always like to apply a thin black eyeliner. This makes my eyelashes look really voluminous. It's time for mascara, for which I'm going to use Benefit Their Real Magnet Mascara. I actually later on thought to apply some kajal to my waterline, so here it is. For my blush, I'm going to use the Calabar blush, and this is in the shade Pink Pinch, and I love this color, and this is actually going with my outfit. I rarely apply highlighter, but when I do, I always like to go with either Wet n Wild or Becca. And today I'm going with Wet n Wild, and this highlighter is so bomb. All is done. Just to set my makeup, I'm using the Smashbox setting spray. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and happy Diwali in advance. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Bye.